how to reset your oil life to 100%. Alright, I just got done with my oil change on my 2016 Acura RDX. So this is going to be the oil reset. First thing we're going to do is go to vehicle settings. Then you're going to go right here, this one here. That's the one you're looking for, okay? You're going to go to that one. And we're going to see the oil life is 15%, even though I just changed it now. So what we're going to do, we're going to go look for vehicle settings, okay? And then I'm going to hit select, which is right there. I'm trying to show you everything again. Once I hit the select button, it's going to go into this one. So now we're going to look for maintenance info. We're going to go back to select, which is right there. Give you a wide view. I'm going to hit the select. Bam. See that? Oil life. You got cancel, you got reset. We're going to hit select again on oil life reset. Okay. After that, we're going to go to exit, select, back to vehicle settings, and there you go, 100% oil life. It's quick and easy way to reset your oil life settings back to 100%, so it gives you a general idea on when to change the oil. I usually change it once it hits 20%, and I always change it at 15%. I don't let it drop below 15%. All right guys, thanks a lot. See you in the next one.